Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to find and how to reset all your iPhone's network settings. If you're having problems connecting to a Wi-Fi network or maybe Bluetooth issues, then resetting your saved network settings may help. By doing a reset, you'll be removing all your saved Wi-Fi networks, any Bluetooth connections, cellular settings, or any VPN or APN settings. So remember, after doing this, you'll need to reconnect to those you had before. To reset your network settings, first open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and then choose General. Inside of here, scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. This is the new Reset Options screen. At the bottom, tap Reset. A pop-up window will then appear with the reset options available. For now, we just want to reset our networks, so hit Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, and then confirm again by hitting Reset Network Settings. After that, all your saved network connections and settings will be reset. You can then try connecting to the device that you were having an issue with before. And that's how you reset all your iPhone's network settings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.